video to give you recaps of what happened with the options that I had overnight. Okay, so last night before the market closed, I bought a total of 5 contracts, 3 puts, 2 calls. When we did the video yesterday, I had about 4 contracts. I had 3 puts, 1 call, and so the market it retraced back a little bit, and so I was able to get another put. So I did get another put for a total investment of roughly about 300, probably a little over $300. So I was invested in the market overnight, about $300, and I was expecting some volatility, whether it was going to be up or down, to happen overnight, which it didn't happen overnight. I woke up today and the market it didn't move a lot this morning, overnight. I mean, and so to salvage the trades, I closed out of my positions at a loss. I closed out of my positions at a loss of, I would say probably 170. 170. And so I just wanted to do this recap to kind of let you guys know. Um, and I did close out too early. That's another thing. I closed out too early on the calls because I had 2 calls. I had 2 465 calls. And if I would have held on to those calls, I would actually be in the money right now, 107. So I'll be about. I mean, I still would be at a. I wouldn't be for the on the break even for the day, but I would be at 107. So I closed out of the calls a little bit too early. For I guess the fear of not happening in the market, nothing happening in the market, and so you don't want to just. What I was thinking is you don't want to just lose your contracts to the theta through the time expiring. So that's why I went ahead and just closed them out. But it was a little bit too early, a little bit too early. Maybe it was some emotion in there, and I should have stayed in just a little bit longer because I'd actually be in the money right now, 107. So I closed the contracts out. The 2 calls I closed them out at about $96, and so I'd be at like 214 on those 2 contracts. So that's a learning lesson, guys. I just wanted to give you a recap of what happened um, overnight with the contracts that I was holding from the last video. So I'm going to be doing another video today, hopefully getting back in the market, and I'll get you guys in on that. But until then, see you soon and be blessed.